sound funny, just like evil feels evil. What I do is that's the fine. But being quiet, cause it's time to bring the noise. When I do is the label, you smell that weed on boy. What's up, people heard? You ain't fucking with the team. You can try your best, but you can't do it like me. Nah, they can't do it like me. I'm that same little nigga that was lurking in the streets. Who me? Yes, me. They can't do it like me. I'm that nutty motherfucker that be working on these beats. Who me? Yes, me. They can't do it like me. Who me? Yes, me. They can't do it like me. Who me? Yes, me. They can't do it like me. Man, they tripping if they think that they can do it like me. Boy, they be spitting out, see I'm spitting all that fire. Got a grip up on the game. I ain't even using fire, they don't even use the tool. When I got my 2 fists, you gon' have to bust a lip and have you with your crack ribs. Where the link give me a sip, the blunt give me a hit. Have me fucking cross-faded, man, that's one hell of a mix. Haters be all on the tip, fucking they just motivation. I know they gonna hate it, when the nigga fucking makes it. Never been so dedicated, but I had to switch it up. Everybody wanna say that you boy running off the luck. Everybody wanna speak where it's all at somebody's back. When some friends they be like, man, I never said that. Them scary ass niggas, if I say it then I mean it. Sticking to my word, even if I get beaten. Ain't never been a sucker, can never be weak. Forget it, they can never ever do it like me. Nah, they can't do it like me. I'm that same little nigga that was working in the streets. Ooh, me, yes, me, they can't do it like me. I'm that nutty motherfucker that be working on these beats. Ooh, me, yes, me, they can't do it like me. Ooh, me, yes, me, they can't do it like me. Ooh, me, yes, me, they can't do it like me. And they tripping if they think that they can do it like me. Elevation, I'm aiming to become the greatest. Each one I've been too patient. Too gracious is my time. Listen up to all my statements. People still be reparations. Don't know how much more I can take it. I'm sure broke niggas trying to get straight to the money making. Say right, say left mistaken. Running like an easy breaking. Can I smoke because probation? Don't give a fuck about it lately. Nigga fucking rich. Like you stuff slipping up in a body bag. Pussies keep on still on line. All the niggas copycat. Closey so it's supposed to go. Approaching cause I'm on my track. Fuck you in your band like you boy real niggas don't fuck with swag. Kill the sad. Like you got his cool and boy so got that class. Y'all in track. I'm gonna put you in your place. Right you can't. Perfect that was far from you. How you fucking down from moon man like these tricks. How you shoes I think right think you single girl. Real shit. All these man you know what I'm talking about. Feeling the cheesy. Healing up some sick up in the litter couch. You my twin go follow my dick. You know I've been in for leaders. When it's my time. We not voice like she used to be good. They don't get it how we get it. They ain't living how we living. Bitch I'm sipping what I'm sipping. They don't get it how we get it. They ain't living how we living. Bitch I'm sipping what I'm sipping. They ain't with it like we with it. They ain't with it like we with it. They ain't with it like the bird man. They ain't with it like we with it. They ain't with it like we with it. Look, we can back down with that. I earn props. Respect it, get grip. You just trade when I'm with your worship. Give me head. Do it up so we can back down. Say you king on a sad crown. We turn up, you turn down. You get to do it best around. Get it right, get it straight, just cue snare. Put the bass, you want to sample and hit the tape. You say you good, I'm feeling great. This is my life, fuck it. 3 hands, I never take advice. Cause in this thing, ain't got the time. Give me a second and I'll do just fine. They don't get it how we get it. They ain't living how we living. Bitch, I'm sipping what I'm sipping. They don't get it how we get it. They ain't living how we living. Bitch, I'm sipping what I'm sipping. They ain't with it like we with it. They ain't with it like we with it. They ain't with it. They ain't with it like we with it. They ain't with it like we a little bit.
Give it the no 1, not 2, not 3. Yeah, we just put my gun to their face, boy. Hey, we be shining every day, though. Hustling to the top. We ain't never gonna stop, why? Cause my niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. Every hustle to the top. Never trust these stocks. Cause my niggas on the block. Every person to the top. Yeah, we ain't never gonna stop. Got my niggas on the block. Every coming to the top. We ain't never gonna stop. Breaking this beat hole. Yeah, you know we finna rock these shows. Got haters in the building and they might keep girl hot. 69 to the full. Yeah, she finna swallow full. And she ain't even know. I'ma have her going crazy. But she
trying to read a quote. I'm a hustler, gangster, bustin', bangin', funky, crazy, proud. I've been hustling lately, money, crazy, funky, crazy, now. Cause I'm all up on my payment, two hitters breaking the kick. I'm a real kid, so get that kick. We not just doing it for the music, don't even twist the compute. We be focused on the brains while you losing. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. And we hustle to the top. Never trust these guys, so my niggas on the block. And we hustle to the top. We ain't never gonna stop. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block, hold up on the top. You be thinking we ain't with it, we gon' make your ass flop. So my niggas on the block, holding down the territory. Hood long, that's the reason that you want it. We ain't worried about you niggas, don't get it if you want it. It's a peace thing, boy, keep calling for the warning. We got lots, cause the witches and my niggas strapped up. That's the lead that we pulling to this nigga act up. Ain't on me like mine, yeah, we got full control. Let me corner that you pass the homies on, we'll patrol these up. Close down, see the block, get around. If you come around, that's what we another man, yeah. We ain't taking shit lightly, cause my niggas moving away. Pulling links all the time, every day the same day. Don't take the hook or granted, haters better step back. Be afraid, motherfucking rumors, now my niggas on the block. What?
My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. And we hustle to the top. Never trust these guys, cause my niggas on the block. And we rise to the top. We ain't never gonna stop, cause my niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. My niggas on the block. And we hustle to the top. Never trust these guys, cause my niggas on the block. And we rise to the top. We ain't never gonna stop, cause my niggas on the block.
Make some noise one time.